Welcome to virtual class of physical education class plus unit 7 psychology and injury in sports. Topic 8 is sports injuries. Classification of sports injury. Injury is classified on the basis of force. Direct injury. A direct injury is caused by the external blow to force causing increase at the point of contact. Indirect injury. Indirect injury usually involve the athlete damaging of soft tissues such as ligament, tendons, and muscles of the body through internal and external forces. Overuse injury. It is sustained from the continuous or repeating stress, incorrect technique or equipment. Number two, injury of basic of the tissue demand. Soft tissue injuries. It is the demand of muscles, ligament, and tendons throughout the body. Hard tissue injuries. Hard tissue injuries are those involving damage of the bones of the skeleton. Soft tissue injuries. Number one, constitutions. It is the causing of the soft tissue by the violent external force without the breaking the continuity of skin. In the several cases of muscles become completely inactive. Athlete in all contact sports have many changes of the gait muscles, constitutions, braces, symptom of constitution, swelling, limiting joint range of motion near the injury. Number three, pain. Treatment step. Continuations should be traced immediately with ice application for the same duration. Apply cold compress for the few hours. Number two, sprain. A sprain is the scratch end or tear of ligament as strong bend the connective tissues that contact the end of one bone with another. Ligament sterilize the support the body's joints. Symptoms: swelling, stiffness, joint pain of muscle pain. Type: mild, moderate, and sharp. Treatment of sprain. For treatment of sprain, PRICE procedure is followed. P. Protection, rest, ice, compression, and E. Evaluations. Number three, strain. A strain is the injury of muscles and or tendons. Tendons are fibers cut to tissues that attach muscle to the bone. Strains often occur in our foot, leg, or back. Symptoms: pain in muscles, muscles contractions, loss of strength. Treatment step: prevention, future tissue damage, easy pain, reduce the formation of scar tissues. Number four, abrasion. It is the injury of skin in which skin is splattered or rubbed by the friction. It is normally a minor injury but can be serious in if some foreign matter is struck in it. Symptoms: bleeding from the abrasion, skin pain, skin swelling. Treatment step: avoid future friction, clean the part of some antiseptic cream or wash properly with soap and prevent infections. Cover of affected part with medicinal cotton or the with band aid. Number five, lacerations. A laceration is an injury that result is an irregular break in the skin, more commonly referred to the as a cut, but defined a term and ragged bond. Symptoms: bleeding of different level of severity depending on the depth of the laceration, mid to severe pain depending on depth of laceration. Treatment step: stop bleeding at the earliest and the compression or the pressing cream and surface of the affected part using water and soap. Incision is the cause caused by the sharp cutting objects such as broken glass. They are also caused when the impact causes the skin in split over the underlying bone. Treatment step: it is the injury is not deep, let the blood come out. During this process, germs may also come out with the blood. Such injuries should be cleaned carefully with the iron stick. Immediate treatment of skin injuries: reduce the danger of infections, control bleeding with rest, pressure, and ablation, assist the severity of the bone.